just saw the Chicken Nugget man tonight. Very good, very nice. I can't do it. We're here on the beautiful Golden Mile and we're just going to take a casual walk to find out what's going on. We've got the Hard Rock Cafe here on the right hand side, looking beautiful as always. Have you ever been there? Let me know in the comments. We have all the looky men and stuff here. Also, every night they're here trying to hustle you into giving your money up. So we're here at the Safari Centre and on the Golden Mile in Playa Las Americas, and the fountains are beautiful. There's no music playing just now, but the fountains are absolutely stunning. We have a lovely Christmas tree just here, all lit up. I wish they had a real Christmas tree. That would make it a lot better. But we've got a celebrity here. Yes, we've got some sort of how will I call them? A polar bear. A polar bear in front of the Christmas tree, taking pictures with people. Yes, a lovely big polar bear in front of the fountains. You can't go wrong with that. So I don't know how much they'll charge for a picture, but obviously they'll charge you to take a picture to the same as everyone else. Obviously you can see all the oh, is that somebody famous over there? Is that who I think it is? Is that who I think it is? Let's go and see who this is. Oh, I think this is the guy for the Chicken Nugget man.
Hey there, boy!
Are you the Chicken Nugget man?
You sexy chicken boy.
How are you doing, man? Are you the real Chicken Nugget man? How you doing, buddy?
You okay, chicken boy?
I'm good, yeah.
I'm good. You okay? Good today.
Can you do the Chicken Nugget for my fans?
Chicken nugget, my fan. Chicken boy, Rodney.
So, very good, very nice. I can't do it. How you doing?
Very good, very nice.
There you go.
Hello, chicken nugget. Happy Christmas, Del boy. 100 video.
Yeah, say subscribe.
Subscribe, chicken boy.
Subscribe.
How
are you?
You okay? I'm good.
How are you? I'm very good. I'm very good.
This one, you have a cup? You want a
I've
cup?
already bought one, but I'm going to give you that because
Thank
you're
you,
a kind
my
man.
friend. You Del boy.
Right?
Good boy.
Give me a wee hug. Hey,
you, my friend.
good man. You're going to have a nice Christmas.
Thank you, my friend. Nice Christmas. Happy Christmas,
Say
chicken boy.
Happy Christmas, everybody.
Happy Christmas, chicken boy, Del boy, Rodney, sexy chicken boy. Happy Christmas. Very good, very nice.
Very good, very
Very
nice.
good, very nice. How much?
You're famous, aren't you?
Thank you.
You're 100% famous.
Thank you, Del boy.
Thank you very much, my friend. Take care. That guy is famous. That is the Chicken Nugget man. He is famous in Tenerife. He has 1.2 million TikTok subscribers. That guy is like more famous than any other YouTuber. All for his very good, very nice. Beautiful fountains. Harry's bar there. Beautiful Harry's bar. You can hear him doing it. And I gave him something for his. It's always nice to give him. He's obviously still working. So I don't understand though. Should he not be a millionaire by now? So you have the Magic Bar across there next to the Hard Rock Cafe. They've got some live entertainment in there. Cocktails are quite expensive though, so do remember that. So you've got the Mediterranean Palace just in front of me there. They've got the lights on. It's not quite finished yet. It's meant to be opening March the 15th. St Paddy's Day, I believe, or around that time. Prices £1,800 for 2 weeks, serve catering, bed and breakfast. Something about that, they might change the prices. You get 5-10% discount online just now. Yeah, if it was a bit cheaper, I would probably book up, and it's going to be definitely a lovely place to visit here in Tenerife when it's all done up. What do you think? All the blue disappeared though. It looks weird, doesn't it? Not being blue, but it now fits in to every single hotel. You've got the Cleopatra, the beautiful Cleopatra, looking beautiful. Let's cross over. Yeah, the Cleopatra Hotel is a hotel that I really want to visit. I heard they've got a hot tub on the roof or the top floor. The rooms at the top floor, they've got their own hot tub. Now, true story, when I was a young boy, I used to think that the main entrance to this hotel was through the Hard Rock Cafe. I didn't know the entrance was at the back or the other side. I used to think this was the hotel. I didn't know this was separate, or obviously the Hard Rock Cafe, and then the Cleopatra Hotel is obviously the entrance is around the other side at the water area, or the seafront, sorry. But beautiful hotel, Hard Rock Cafe. There's magic. Some live entertainment tonight in there. Will it be magic? So this is the Hard Rock Cafe. They've got a beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree in here. Let me see if we can just go up and have a look. I think a band will be performing tonight. But have you been here? What's the prices like? They've got the first Christmas tree I've actually seen in this area. It's usually the fake ones over at the Safari Centre where you've got the bear. But yeah, it's so beautiful around here. So I have enjoyed my time in Tenerife. You can't beat a trip to Tenerife. This is my third trip this year and it's 1 week before Christmas and I totally love Tenerife. How do you guys like Tenerife? Do you love it? What do you think of everything's going on just now with the new bracelet scams? I've got free to give away on my channel. I don't need them. The most I've paid for them is €5. The cheapest is €2, €2.50. I've got a video coming out on Wednesday where I do a €50 Looky Men challenge where I buy both of these guys and see how much I can get them down for the price they start. But this area is busy for entertainment. We've got some mini golf around here as well. This is a lovely area. This is probably one of the best areas. But check out Los Cristianos because they have amazing Christmas lights and it's a place you want to visit. I mean, well, we've got some. So you get black and white, €50, €20. You get yourself a colour picture of yourself. How you doing, buddy? All right. This place is actually a show bar. The Mile Dinner Show Bar. So basically you pay to be on the show. So you get to see a show and you have dinner. And I've never been here. Let me know in the comments if you've been here. I never even know this place exists. Or would have been here this week. But let me know if you've been there. And this place has always got entertainment going on. You usually have Elvis Presley when that go past. It looks like they've got a comedian. Remember, these places are dearer than other places. A bit more money wise, cost less, but €4 a pint of Dorada, and sometimes it's not even a pint, it's a bottle of Dorada. So just remember that if you're coming this way, it's a bottle of Dorada for €4, because you're paying for the entertainment as well, aren't you? You're not just paying for to sit down and enjoy a beer. There's more cheaper places though. €1.50. Prices have gone up. I haven't found a €1 pint on this trip whatsoever. But maybe you guys can let me know in the comments if some places are still doing it. I'm interested to see if Bora Bora is still doing it. But yeah, I'm struggling to find a €1 pint here in Tenerife. As I say, we saw the Chicken Nugget man tonight. Very good, very nice. I mean, he's famous, 1.2 million followers on Instagram. The guy's a genius, basically. TikTok as well. I mean, more followers than what I could ever imagine, but it's nice to see him. When you usually do find these people, they're not usually the real person, but that guy's 100% real. He showed me his TikTok, and it's definitely him. The guy makes a fortune. Now, my friends, I'm going to end the video there, but I want to say thank you for joining me on this walk of the Golden Mile. We've met some famous people, and we've not seen the bracelet slam, unfortunately, tonight, but I've got free that I've got during my trip here at Tenerife. So thank you for everybody watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.